Hello, my name is Sarah. In this video, I will present the features and applications of the NP-AFM from the AFM Workshop. The NP-AFM is a tip-scanning nano-profiling AFM that is designed for scanning surfaces of technical samples that have a large range of shapes and sizes. Included with the NP-AFM is a computer, control electronics, and stage. The AFM control software used in the NP-AFM is written in LabVIEW, uses tab architecture, and is very intuitive. An advantage of LabVIEW is that it is readily ported to new Windows operating systems, thus protecting your investment. Features included in the AFM stage are an industry-standard light lever, piezoelectric scanner, video optical microscope, and several sample holding options. The light lever includes a modular probe holder, making exchanging probes very easy. Replacing probes in the NP-AFM take less than a minute. A parallel plate modified tripod scanner gives AFM scans of samples with minimum bow. This feature is very helpful for metrology applications. The high-resolution video optical microscope with mechanical zoom is essential for locating regions for scanning, aligning the light lever, and also facilitates probe approach. There are several sample holding options available with the NP-AFM. The NP-4012 has a 2-inch by 3-inch manual positioning stage and sample holder for multiple AFM sample holding discs. This stage facilitates rapid scanning of several similar samples. Wafers and discs are readily scanned with the NP-4022 stage. The stage has a linear 4-inch motion and 360 degrees of rotation. This enables scanning any area on an 8-inch diameter wafer or disc. Also included are thumb screws for precise positioning. Custom sample holders can be made by the AFM Workshop for the NP-AFM. This includes sample chucks, motorized stages, and other modifications. Common applications for the NP-AFM include metrological measurements, surface texture, and visualization of surface features. With the unique piezoelectric scanner, the NP is ideal for measuring the dimensions of surface features. This includes surface heights as well as horizontal dimensions. Surface textures down to 150 picometers are measurable with the NP-AFM. With a vertical range of 17 microns, the NP can also give textures of extremely rough samples. A common application for the NP is visualization of surface features. In this image, small features are readily visualized on the surface. The NP-AFM is a unique AFM designed for almost any size or shape of sample. The NP is ideal for process development and process control applications. To get more information about this product, please visit our website at www.afmworkshop.com.